Get ready, creators and drone lovers, because DJI might just be about to shake up the skies again with the upcoming DJI Neo 2. Welcome to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets excitement. Today, we're diving deep into everything we know and can expect from DJI's next-gen mini drone, the DJI Neo 2, a model that's shaping up to be the perfect fusion of portability, power, and intelligence. Before we start, here's a question for you. What's more important for you in a drone, camera quality or flight time? Let us know in the comments below because the Neo 2 might change how you think about both. DJI has been on a roll lately, blending consumer-friendly design with professional-grade performance. The first Neo captured attention for its size and simplicity, becoming a top choice for travel vloggers and beginners alike. Now, with the DJI Neo 2 on the horizon, expectations are higher than ever. And from early insights, it looks like DJI is taking everything users loved and pushing it to the next level. So, let's begin with what everyone wants to know first, the release date. While DJI hasn't officially confirmed it yet, industry watchers predict the DJI Neo 2 could launch in the first half of 2025, possibly around spring. DJI tends to align launches with creative seasons, making it perfect for outdoor shooting and travel. With global demand for compact drones increasing, it makes sense for DJI to bring the Neo 2 soon, just ahead of their mid-year lineup refresh. Now, what about the design? The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to retain its ultralight, sub-250g weight category, which means it won't require registration in many regions. That's a big plus for casual pilots. But this time, DJI might introduce a slightly more aerodynamic body with improved wind resistance and foldable arms for even greater portability. Expect subtle refinements, better heat management, new LED indicators, and possibly a stronger frame using lightweight carbon fiber reinforced polymers for added durability without extra bulk. Let's talk about one of the biggest upgrades, the camera. The Neo 2 could bring a brand new 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 4K video at up to 60 frames per second with improved HDR processing. There's also talk of a wider aperture for enhanced low-light performance, something creators have been asking for since the original model. Combine that with DJI's latest color science and enhanced image stabilization, and we're looking at footage that feels cinematic right out of the sky. Another exciting addition might be the introduction of the new AI-powered tracking system that uses multi-directional sensors to lock onto subjects even in complex environments. Imagine effortlessly following a moving car, a runner, or even your pet through trees or hills. The Neo 2 might just handle it with ease. Of course, flight performance matters just as much. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to bring longer flight time, possibly up to 35 minutes per charge, thanks to improved battery chemistry and more efficient motors. Pair that with DJI's latest O4 transmission technology, offering up to 20 kilometers range with stronger anti-interference capability, and you've got a drone ready for serious adventure. DJI is also focusing on smarter flight experiences. The Neo 2 could feature upgraded obstacle avoidance with new front, back, and downward sensors working together with real-time AI prediction. For creators, this means fewer crashes and more confidence to fly in tight spots. As for software, DJI's Fly app may receive enhancements that make editing and sharing even easier. Expect intuitive auto-edit features, quick HDR tone adjustments, and smart templates for reels and vlogs. There's also talk about direct social media streaming support, so you could live stream your flights directly from the app without needing third-party tools. Battery life and charging are always hot topics. DJI might introduce a new high-speed charging hub that can recharge batteries 30% faster, perfect for creators on the go. USB-C PD compatibility ensures you can even top it up using a power bank, adding serious flexibility when you're out in the field. When it comes to portability, the Neo 2 will likely continue to be the ultimate travel companion. It could even come with a new compact controller featuring a built-in display, something users have long requested for better convenience. Now, let's talk price and value. DJI's pricing tends to remain competitive with in its category. Early expectations suggest the Neo 2 could be priced around $699 to $749 for the standard kit, with the Fly More combo possibly going for around $899. Considering the rumored features, improved sensor, longer battery life, AI tracking, and upgraded transmission, that seems like a solid deal for both hobbyists and pros. But what are the pros and cons? On the plus side, we're looking at better performance, smarter flight features, improved range, and enhanced portability. On the downside, like all small drones, it might still face some wind limitations, and the price may slightly increase compared to the original Neo. Still, if DJI nails the execution, the Neo 2 could easily become one of 2025's best-selling drones. And now, the final verdict. The DJI Neo 2 seems to be shaping up as a powerful evolution rather than a revolution, but that's exactly what makes it so exciting. DJI isn't trying to reinvent the wheel, they're refining it, making it smoother, smarter, and more capable than ever. If you're a traveler, vlogger, or content creator looking for a compact drone that delivers big performance, the DJI Neo 2 could be your perfect companion. So, what do you think? Will the Neo 2 be your next flying camera, or are you waiting for something even bigger from DJI this year? Let us know in the comments below. You've been watching Tech Vibe, where we bring you the latest insights from the world of tech, drones, and innovation. If you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more upcoming reviews, and stay tuned, because 2025 is about to take flight.